Welcome to the Aviator Assistant Training Series. In this video we'll be covering synthetic vision. Let's start by locating the synthetic vision button. This is located at the top of the screen to the left, located between the map settings button and the route manager button. Select the icon to activate synthetic vision. You'll be prompted with a message before you can continue. Synthetic vision inside of Aviator Assistant is experimental and not to be used as a primary flight device. Select OK to activate synthetic vision. The synthetic vision is comprised of 4 quick read sections. 1. Ground speed in knots. 2. Altitude. 3. Magnetic heading. 4. Attitude. Behind these you will notice 3D terrain giving you enhanced situational awareness. You can also use synthetic vision in landscape mode. Doing so will give you the added functionality of your chosen map overlay to the right. Let's try to understand the terrain colors for situational awareness. The terrain inside of synthetic vision is colored based on your aircraft's altitude. This way you can easily identify a hazardous terrain with improved situational awareness. You will see 3 different colors of terrain while flying: green, yellow, and red. Each color highlights a different safety margin. The relative distance in feet that is used to adjust the terrain coloring can be customized within user preferences. To change the distance values for both synthetic vision and terrain map overlay, press the More button on the bottom right corner. Then select User Preferences. Scroll down until you see Synthetic Vision/Terrain options. The default values are as shown. Each color can be set to a different distance. For instance, if you want red to show when you are within 250 feet of terrain, edit the value for high, red, and set it to 250. Now your synthetic vision and the terrain map overlay will be red when you're within 250 feet of the hazardous terrain. Tap the map button to return. Thank you for choosing Aviator Assistant. Please direct any questions or comments to support@aviatorassistant.com.